back to my channel. I'm Tia. I'm a wig coach here on YouTube.
One of the big things that I have really been thinking about is how to separate Tia Maria, the wig coach, from Tia Maria Wigs LLC. And so what that really means is that I will continue to have my channel, which is Tia Maria. I'll do my wig coaching. I'll do these fun like car vlogs. I'll do all of that like I normally have. But what I've noticed is because now that I am an official retailer, so I am now an official retailer for several name brand wig companies. One of those is Hair Visions, which is the company that has Tressallure and Gemtress. And I am also a retailer for Headwear, which has the Gabor, Raquel Welch, him, KIDZ, and also Toni Brattin and Hairdo. So I do have those, and I'm also a retailer for Rene of Paris, which is Adirans, and they have all of the various Rene of Paris lines, as well as Amore and Noriko. I am a retailer for the hair grip as well. So I have a lot going on. I'm still trying to catch up putting everything on my website. You can always message me to order any particular wig that you're looking for, but I'm getting my website caught up because this really has changed everything. This really affords me to kind of separate myself out from the business and also bring on people. I'm going to be having some reviewers review wigs for me. So you will see them reviewing wigs for me. You will see their reviews on my channel and different social media outlets. This is also going to help get a bigger, broader sort of picture and understanding. I am really focusing on people who maybe have platforms that are outside of YouTube and also have sort of experiences outside of mine. I've always tried to strive to be as multicultural as I can be as a one-woman person, one-woman business. So this is going to be a way that I will be able to do that because I will bring perspectives from different people, different walks of life, different experiences, different situations wearing wigs to the retail part of what I'm doing, which I think will just enhance that for my customers.